Hello and welcome to this Ramp Interactive login tutorial. To log in using the new Ramp login page, go to ramplogin.com. This will take you to the unified login page to sign in. Here you can log in using a personal email address and password that you've created in the Ramp game sheets, team, or assigning applications. If you do not have an account, you can create a personal account with an email address and password by choosing the Create Account button at the bottom of the page. Here it will request an email address, first name, last name, and password to create your account. If needed, you can also swap the default language by selecting the language field to either French or Spanish, or you can go down to Forgot Password to get a password reset. Upon receiving your password reset, you'll be able to select I have a reset code to log in and create a new password. Once you have logged in, you'll be able to add access to any administrator or accounts that you use underneath of the Ramp platform using the tile in question for that platform. To add access to a website admin, simply go to the website admin block and click it and add your admin credentials. These likely will not be an email address and password, but a login that's been created by a main administrator or by Ramp Interactive and provided to your organization. Once you have added these credentials to your account once, you will be able to find them below and use them to instantly sign in without having to re-enter them. To then log into that account, scroll down to the product listed on your account access and click the green login button to sign in to that system. Additionally, if you'd like to open it in a second tab, you can click the three dots and select Open in New Tab to open that in a separate field. This is also where you can remove access to a set of credentials or edit those credentials if the password has changed to re-enable your access to said product. If you need additional support getting into your account, please feel free to reach out to support@rampinteractive.com or call in at 866 607 7267.